Hi everyone, welcome to another video here. It's Bobby speaking from Bemunchie Online. Let me show you what we've done here for Treasury First. So Treasury First actually came to us, they already had their logo designed themselves, which you can see on your screen now, and we actually helped them out with getting the website design itself completed and then moving over to the development phase. Again, we've used the colours that were actually in the logo, which is sort of like an aqua blue, and then mixed it and matched it up with a few other colours so we can have it running across the website, as you can see on your screen now. You'll notice throughout the website there's quite a few little features of animation in place. Each time you scroll right down to the bottom, we've integrated a LinkedIn, a WhatsApp link, as well as a Twitter link for the business. Also here you could select on the arrow and it will take you back straight to the top on the website. You'll also notice, as I mentioned about the animation, when you hover your mouse over icons, there's animations appearing underneath on all sort of buttons and page links as well. So for example, again over here, again on these links, even when you're hovering on the read mores, you'll see the arrows splitting apart, and this was something where the client actually wanted to make it a bit more corporate, have it in the corporate feel, but however still having the nice creative feel with the website. We've actually also integrated WhatsApp, so again if you clicked on the WhatsApp link, it would actually allow you to open up on a WhatsApp web, or you'd be able to use a number and message off of your mobile phone or tablet if you needed to. Again, to keep the design coherent, again we've also added in the animation, and each time you move your mouse onto any sort of box, it will have the animation. Now the login and register is hyperlinks going to a third-party website, and again you've also got your menu, as is additional icons that we didn't really want to appear on the main page. As soon as you hover over your hamburger and click on it, again you'll also see the new pages appear over here. Let me talk to you about the other pages that we've also designed and the other features that are within the other pages. So let's go through to the menu and click on the About Us page. As you've probably noticed, I'm on a Wi-Fi connection, but the speed of the site is very fast uploading, so there's no server downtime on the actual site loading. And again, you'll also notice throughout the design layout across all pages there is an animation appearing on pretty much all pages. Again, the arrows are all matching. The background effects also in place. We've also added a parallax image in the background, so it's sort of moving. The image will stay in one place, but however the text is on top of the image, you could say, for the site layout. And again, we've also added an animation which you may have also appeared and seen on the home page, which I'll pop up on your screen now, of the arrow. And again, when you select on the arrow, it will take you down to the next section on the website. Again, I'll show another third page for yourselves. You'll also see the text matching the actual logo colours again, as well as the main colours in terms of the login and register section, again with the actual login and section being linked over here as well. So again, this will link matching the register section for the same URL links with the animation in place. We've also added the effects of the static box backgrounds, which you would have seen on the home page, which was an animation, so it matches the design, and again the image is appearing and the text flowing in place as you scroll down the website page, along with the arrow on the right hand side. And again, the animation across the page is here for you as well. And again, this is on majority of the pages throughout the design. This is, as I mentioned at the start, is built upon WordPress as a custom design, so it can be done on pretty much any type of website that's required, whether it's e-commerce or informative style of site in any sort of industry as well. I'll also show on your screen that where the feedback we've got from Treasury First, as you'll see here up on your screen. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the video, and let us know your thoughts. I'll also put the link to Treasury First in the bottom of the description. So yeah, and if you're enjoying these videos and different styles of sites we've done, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll make sure we keep recording them each time we get a new website going live. Don't forget, you can also view more websites that we've completed on our website's work page, as you can see now on your screen as well. And you can see more work that we've completed of recent websites that have gone live by going directly to our own website and viewing our work page. I'll share the link in the description for you below, so you can also click on that. And again, even if you was to hover your mouse, again you'll see some animations where you can click on them and actually view some websites that we've designed recently, and some of our latest designs that we've done working alongside our clients for their business, whether it's an e-commerce website as you can see on your screen, or a informative site like I've just showed you, Treasury First.